Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add double underline to text in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, then show the Word document file is text add double underline. Then I will show that. Then you can see now select from the text option. Then add underline, double underline. Now going to the home option. Now click for the underline for the more option. Now click for the double underline option. That's it. Then again another text option. Now for select. Now going to the home option. Now click for the more option. Now click for the double underline option. That's it. Then again another text option is add double underline is the same process. That's it. Then you show the add double underline to text in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.